My town. In my spare time, I'm doing parkour. It's a very fun sport where I get a lot of exercise. In parkour, you can do what you want, any trick or any move.
In my spare time, I'm dancing. I'm dancing hip hop 2 times a week. I like it because it's fun.
In my spare time, I'm playing handball. I play handball 1 time a week. I play handball because it's fun.